YouTubers, Midnight Bus here. So just got the car clean, show up to one of the cool little car events we usually have. Usually never gets busted, and we've been here for about 5 minutes cleaning my wheels from the road grime on the way over here and busted. So you'll be on the journey with me. Hopefully I don't get hit by all these fucking gay ass racers trying to fucking be cool and whatnot, or the Mustangs hitting the crowds. So we're about to head out to another location. Hopefully this one doesn't get busted. This shouldn't, but we're good. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. I'll let you know if I get pulled over. Alright guys, I'll give you some more footage here in a minute as everyone kind of shows up.